India did it again. For the first time in history, NASA's most advanced Earth monitoring satellite has been launched not from America, but from India, on an Indian rocket. This isn't just a space mission. This is a defining moment for ISRO, a leap of trust by NASA, and a signal to the world. India is now a global space power. This is NISAR, and it's already in orbit, scanning the Earth to protect our planet. NISAR stands for NASA ISRO Synthetic Aperture Radar, the world's most powerful Earth observation satellite. It uses dual-frequency radar, L-band from NASA and S-band from ISRO, to scan the Earth with unmatched precision, down to millimeters. It can map the entire landmass of Earth every 12 days, detecting changes like volcano earthquakes, water-wave tsunamis, melting glaciers, tractor soil changes, evergreen deforestation, cityscape urban growth. Think of it as the ultimate Earth health scanner. On 30th July 2025, the NISAR satellite was successfully launched aboard ISRO's GSLV-Mk2 rocket from the Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota. This marked the first time NASA entrusted its most advanced satellite to a foreign space agency, and that agency was India's ISRO. The rocket soared flawlessly. The satellite deployed perfectly. And the world took notice. It was not just a launch, it was a statement. You might ask, why didn't NASA launch NISAR themselves? The answer is simple: trust plus capability plus cost efficiency. ISRO has a stellar success record. India offers cutting-edge technology at a fraction of the cost. And ISRO has proven time and again, from Chandrayaan to Aditya, that it can lead global missions. NASA recognized this. And India delivered, again. NISAR isn't just orbiting the Earth, it's directly helping India on the ground. Here's how. Flood prediction in Ganga and Brahmaputra basins. Monitoring Himalayan glaciers. Tracking agricultural stress for farmers. Land deformation alerts for earthquakes. National security surveillance of terrain. For India, NISAR is not just a satellite, it's a protective shield from space. Globally, NISAR will help fight the most urgent crisis of our time, climate change. With its detailed data, the world can now predict disasters sooner, monitor forest health, track polar ice melt, understand rising sea levels. NISAR will power climate models, research, and policy making in over 150 countries. It's not just a satellite, it's a planetary guardian. India has arrived. Once considered a developing space program, ISRO now commands global respect. In the last 5 years alone, Chandrayaan-3 landed on the moon. Aditya L1 studied the sun. And now, NISAR protects the Earth. NASA relying on ISRO isn't a favor, it's recognition. India is no longer following, India is leading. NISAR is now silently orbiting 747 kilometers above us, working non-stop to protect our world. And it's doing so because India believed, built, and delivered. This mission is more than a milestone, it's a message. The future of space has India written all over it. If this made you proud of India and ISRO, like, share, and subscribe for more stories of India's rise. Drop a rocket in the comments to salute our scientists.